structure of dicot seed or structure of dicotyledonous seed. So, here the integuments of the ovule are converted into the seed coats. Seed coats are present here, those are called as testa, and inner is present, we call it as tegmen also. So, here it is membranous structure which is protecting the seed, that is called as a testa, and inside which the embryonal axis is present. So, this embryonal axis is called as tigellum, and in this tigellum, so on one side we can see the presence of swollen structures. These swollen structures are called as cotyledons, and the portion where the cotyledons are attached to the embryonal axis are called as cotyledonary node. The part above the cotyledons is called as epicotyle, and the part below the cotyledon attachment is called as hypocotyle, and above the epicotyle this is called as plumule, and below the hypocotyle this part is called as radicle. So, these are structures that we can see, and here out of all the parts in the dicotyledonous seed, the swollen structure is the cotyledons. Swollen structures are cotyledons. So, here two cotyledons are swollen and which are laden with a lot amount of food materials. So, these are the structures that we can see in the dicotyledonous seeds, and majority of the dicotyledonous seeds are non-endospermic seeds. Non-endospermic seeds.